The guys at KZ Official Shop sent me these earbuds for gaming. So you know how you want to get into the world when you're gaming? They're noise canceling, so they're awesome. Okay, so I'm going to. This is what comes in here. It comes with these cables. I'll show you and put it together. But it says here, built for gaming, and that's what they're for. Let me open it up real nice. I mean, you know when you're gaming, the good thing, right, is to have your own world. Oh my God, this is. You know, when you're gaming, it's really important to take all the elements into consideration. Have your nice gaming chair, right, that is comfortable, and then a nice controller. But also, if you wanna do this at night and not, oh my God, this looks so nice. You wanna do this at night and not bother anyone, then you get yourself some nice buds, right? And this is how it comes in there. Let me show you. Beautiful. Okay, so let's open this thing up. Let's see what comes in there. Whoa, these are sturdy. This is really nice. Okay, and these look like in-ears. If you guys know musician, you guys know. Oh wow, check this out. They're really beautiful. Really beautiful, really well made. Oh my God, check this out. This is like nice and soft. It's not that rigid, so this should be perfect for your ear. It has this connection right here. And the design, man, look at this design, it's beautiful. Okay, two of them come, so of course they're all both the same. Let me see what else comes in this box. It has these extra, these are smaller for your ear, and then it has, let's see what comes in here. Then these cables are nice. So this looks like a braided cable, you see? Nice braided looking cable. It's beautiful. Really well made. I'm super impressed with this stuff. And these are the connectors. Okay? So the connectors are there. Let's connect it and let's listen to this thing. Let's do this quick. So it has I guess it doesn't matter what side it is. Right? I'm gonna put it like this. I'm gonna put it like this. I guess it doesn't matter what size it is. I'm gonna do like this, right? And then press it like that. We're about to find out how this works. There you go. There you go, it's connected. Really nice. And this is, I'm going to say, because of how it works, like this. Nice. Or this is this side. No, this is this side, right here. Right? Really nice. Let's do the other side. So if this is that way, okay, so we connect it here. You go like this. There you go. You go like this. the connector itself, this has like a loop. You see how it loops? This goes around your earlobes. Okay? It's shaped like that. The connector itself, this has like a loop. You see how it loops? This goes around your earlobes. Okay? It's shaped like that. You shouldn't bend it out of the way. You put like this. You put this around your earlobe. I take this off. And then you do the same on the other side. They're comfortable. So there you go. You see? It's nice around your earlobe, real nice. They're nice and snug and they're comfortable. They're comfortable. And then you undo this and connect it to a 1/8 connection. You have a long cable. Let's undo this. This cable is long. And then I think, right, some of these controllers, let me see, some of these, you see, some of these controllers come, you see, I want you to see there, with the 1/8 where you're gonna connect this. So there you go. You connect it there, and play you go. So it's really nice. Noise reduction, right? It's really snug in there because of the rubbery foam that it has in the tips. The cable is long enough, and there you go. We're playing real right like this. It's comfortable. It's durable. The cable, this is well braided. It looks like braided cable. It's really, really nice, and it looks cute. It looks cool. So, hey guys, KZ official. I'm gonna be using this to go into my gaming world.